This is one of the best full-time fifth wheels, and I'm going to tell you why. Hi, I'm Misty with Bankston Motor Homes. We are in the 2026 Alliance Paradigm 382RK. Look at all this room for activities. We're in the bedroom. There's an AC in here. Storage under the bed. A cubby for a CPAP and lots of hookups. You have windows on both sides of the bed. And look at that headboard. Hidden storage and nice cabinets. You have a TV, smart TV, a bench with hidden storage, and there's a dimmer switch. Off to the bathroom. Solid surface counters, medicine cabinet, lots of storage underneath. This is a soft close porcelain toilet, and there's a speaker. You can sing as loud as you want. Nobody else has to worry about it. Into the closet. This is like a whole room by itself. Washer dryer hookup. Tons of shoe storage or whatever else you need to take with you. Your laundry hamper. Residential shower with a seat. Your AC controls are here. This is your control panel, hidden. You have storage on top. Hanging storage. This has a generator. This is your gen start and stop. Has a half bath. Solid surface counter. They did solid surface throughout the whole coach. You have a fireplace, a smart TV, JBL sound that's also paired with the shower, 2 sleeper sofas, and a power recliner. Oh, there's a cup holder on each side. Your dinette table, you can have a desk table or you can move it. For dinner time. This is a huge pantry, adjusting shelves. You also have an outlet in case you need to put your Keurig in there, get it out of the way. Residential refrigerator, you have double doors at the top, has an ice maker, cook up all kinds of food. Reinforced drawers, a nice big oven, you can cook a turkey in there. Big microwave, convection, soft close hinges. Your trash compartment, you can actually empty from outside. You don't have to drag your trash throughout the whole coach. Shut-off valves under the sink. No floor vents, they're underneath. Alliance has been very creative, so that way you don't get trash in there. Flush floor slides. These slides are taller, making the room feel so much bigger. Now that we're on the outside, check out this finish. This Paradigm is 42 foot long, 14,500 pounds dry weight. It sleeps 6 with 4 slides. It has the Helix coil spring pin box, This Paradigm is generator prepped. This is your battery station. More storage. You have a 30 amp charge controller. Your battery disconnects. Propane. Check this out. Tons of room. And you can operate your slides here, and you have outlets. Your spray port. This has an upgraded suspension. It's the Touring Coil Spring suspension from Kurt. Outlets. You have a hitch, you can take your bikes along, a ladder. This is how you empty your trash. You got some hookups here and hookups here. It's 50 amp service with 3 ACs. This is your water heater. It's a 12-gallon gas electric. The other side of your pass-through. This is your switches for all of your tanks. And you can also shut these off if you ever have a problem. Water filter, tank flush. Propane. This has been your walkthrough on the 2026 Paradigm 382 RK. My name is Misty with Bankston Motor Homes. You can contact me at 256-932-2108. See you soon.